Good day everyone. Today we will discuss terminating and repeating non-terminating decimals. Don't you know that 4 divided by 5 can be written as 4 over 5 and using the long division method 4 divided by 5. All of this means division where 4 is our dividend and 5 is our divisor. Let us express 4 over 5 as decimal number. Using the long division method, the dividend 4 is inside and the divisor 5 is outside. 4 divided by 5 is 0 since 4 is less than 5. Put a decimal point right after the dividend and add 0. Copy the decimal point directly above the dividend and divide as whole numbers. So you will have 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract 40 minus 40 is 0. Since our remainder is 0, our answer is 0.8 or 8 tenths. Since the division ends with 0 remainder, it is called terminating decimal. Let us have another example. This time, let us have 2 over 3 as decimal numbers. Using the long division method, the dividend 2 is inside and the divisor 3 is outside. 2 divided by 3 is 0. Put a decimal point right after the dividend and add 0. Copy the decimal point above the dividend and divide as whole numbers. We have 20 divided by 3 is 6. Multiply 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract 20 minus 18 is 2. Add 0 in our dividend, bring down the 0. Divide 20 divided by 3 is 6. Multiply 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract 20 minus 18 is 2. Add 0 in our dividend. Bring down the 0. We have 20 divided by 3 is 6. Multiply 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract 20 minus 18 is 2. If you notice, we have a remainder of 2. And when we add 0 in our dividend and bring it down, then divide it by 3, we will get the number 6 as our quotient endlessly. Since we get the number 6 as our quotient endlessly, we can write 3 dots. These 3 dots indicates that the number, in this case is 6, repeats unendingly. So therefore, 2 over 3 is equals to 0.66 with 3 dots, or you can write this as 0.6 with a bar above the number 6. Since we get 6 endlessly, this is an example of repeating non-terminating decimal. The bar over the number 6 indicates that the number repeats unendingly. Let us have another example. This time, let us have 3/11 as decimal numbers. Using the long division method, the dividend 3 is inside and the divisor 11 is outside. 3 divided by 11 is 0. Add decimal point right after the dividend. Add 0. Copy the decimal point directly above the dividend. Then divide as whole number. We have 30 divided by 11 is 2. Multiply 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract 30 divided by 22 is 8. Add 0 in our dividend. Bring down the 0. Divide. 80 divided by 11 is 7. Multiply 7 times 11 is 77. Subtract. 80 minus 77 is 3. Add 0 in our dividend and bring down the 0. Divide. 30 divided by 11 is 2. Multiply. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract. 30 minus 22 is 8. Add 0 in our dividend. Bring down the 0. Divide. 80 divided by 11 is 7. Multiply. 7 times 11 is 77. Subtract. 80 minus 77 is 3. If you notice, we have a remainder of 3. And if we continue dividing, we will get 27 as our quotient endlessly. Since we get 27 as our quotient endlessly, we can write 3 dots. These dots indicates that the number 27 repeats unendingly. So therefore, 3/11 as decimal number is equal to 0.2727 with triple dots, or what you call ellipses. Or you can write this as 0.27 with a bar above the number 27. Since we get 27 endlessly, this is an example of repeating non-terminating decimal numbers. The bar over the number 27 indicates that the number repeats unendingly. I hope everything is clear to you, children. Goodbye until next time.